Hundreds of new custom-made and template-based websites are being launched every day. Many business owners are facing the question of whether or not to invest their time and money into a custom-made website. A website can be an investment. But you need to look at it as just that, an investment, and not an upfront cost. A good website can increase online conversions and generate more leads for your business. With more people using the internet to do their shopping and research, a good website is integral to your entire marketing and business strategy. However, with more internet use comes more website selection, and for this reason, it's important to invest in a custom website for your business. Unique look and feel and unbeatable first impression. A custom site provides a unique identity for your business. You have full control over its look and feel. It should be in line with all other offline and online branding materials you have. The design of your site should tell the story behind your business. It is critical to carry all brand elements through your online and offline materials. The site should look like it belongs to your company, and users should recognize your brand even if they don't see the name and the company logo. A custom website is a guaranteed way to make a first impression. You'll be able to incorporate stunning, eye-catching visuals and pair them with a fully functional, easy-to-use website that will blow your audience away. With a template or generic build, you're limited in what you can do that will enhance the visual experience. Stay modern. Technology changes fast. It's no different when it comes to web design. The way people use the web is constantly changing, whether it's newer phones, switching browsers, or other unexpected contenders entering the scene. With a custom website design, you can stay on top of that change to ensure that your site visitors, and potential customers, are always getting the most modern possible browsing experience. Custom features and functionality. Another significant benefit of a custom site is the freedom to build virtually any functionality or feature you need. You will have the ability to create a personalized experience for your users. Improve SEO and traffic. The most crucial search engine ranking factors can all be positively influenced by a custom website design. Especially a custom website studio that understands modern trends in SEO. The most important ranking factor has always been the number of high-quality links pointing to your website. Nothing earns more links than a beautiful, compelling website design. More recently, Google's search ranking algorithm is placing more value on websites that provide an incredible user experience thanks to unique, engaging content. Remember, your website is a big part of your business success. You need to give it a strong foundation so it can bring you new clients and grow with your business. Here at MindWebDesign.com we have an innovative way of working, removing unnecessary costs, offering lower prices than other similar agencies. If you are looking to find a digital agency, then we'd love to hear from you. Contact us today.